Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today, you guys, I just wanted to do a quick product review for you guys, and this is going to be for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. That's this baby right here. I love her. Oh my god, me and her go together real bad, like real bad. And yeah, so if you're not familiar with her, you can type that in on YouTube and a whole bunch of videos will pop up. Now, I love this camera so much. It does have a night, a low light and a night type feature where you can film at night, but the obvious thing is this thing do not have a light, and I am kind of used to filming with lights, especially at night. This definitely does not have bad low light. As far as the features go, the low light feature is not bad. I'll try to insert a clip somewhere over here of just what it looks like. But I did find on Amazon a light that can go on here. I just want to share what I came across and what I picked up and what works perfect for me. So Amazon is going to be the supplier for this product. This is not a Prime product. I do believe the wait time for this was about 4 weeks. So the packaging came looking like this. And you can kind of see in here, it has a bracket and then a magnetic top for the actual light. So the bracket actually goes around the whole head of the Pocket 3, which is what I love, because I'm not sitting anything on top of the head of the actual camera, which when you're turning it or using it, it'll start to shake when foreign objects are touching it, because it needs to move at its own will. Inside the package, this is how the light looks. Kind of has like two little cat ears, it kind of looks like on there. On the back is your Type-C charger, so it's a rechargeable light, which is what we love. So you have that here. On the top is your light, your power button, and then your mode button, because it has like different shades of the light. I'm going to show you. So turning it on, that's one, that's another, and then off. So 1, 2, 3 different light features. And then on the other side of the ear, you can change the brightness. And then you have your actual bracket in here. It also comes with a charging cord. They give you a charger cord, and then this is the bracket right here. It looks just like this. I'm going to link everything down below so that if you're interested, you can get it. So you're going to open it up, and this back piece goes right on the back of here. You just slide that right onto the back, just like that. And I mean, it's made perfectly for the Pocket 3. I mean, made perfectly. And then you have this little latch here, and you just bring that bracket over to secure it on, like so. Your light sits right on top, and I mean, it's magnetized, so I mean, it draws really quick right on top. Like, it's perfect. This is perfect. And I love that the light sits on top, so that the light is just literally facing your face. It's not going to the side. I saw one on Amazon where the light set on the side of the camera, meaning you're gonna have a darker side versus the side that the light is actually on. I saw somebody else review one, and it was something similar to this, but the back of it didn't fit all the way. like how this does. Like this one is made literally specifically for the Pocket 3, as you guys can see. Like the cutouts are amazing. I'm gonna turn my light off on my camera, and then I'm gonna turn this on just so y'all can see how it highlights my face. So that's the one. That's the white. And then like the warmish white. Then I'm going to change the intensity. Let's go to the white. That's the brightest. And that is light. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Bye. I forgot to mention one thing to y'all. It also came with a bracket on the inside as well that you can put around the neck of your Pocket 3. And it'll go just like that around the side, and you get 2 more magnetic pieces that you can attach your light to. So you could take it and you could put it on this side if you want, you know, the light on that side, or if you want the light on this side, or it gives you the option to buy 2 more lights, just the lights itself, and you could put one on the top and one here and kind of create a ring light feature. So I thought that was pretty dope as well. So definitely I feel like the best thing right now out here on the market for the Pocket 3 when it comes to adding light right now, or at least just what I came across. So I just forgot to mention that to you guys. He funny.